I will make jamun shots. For that, first we'll wash the jamuns. Strain it. After straining, now we'll soak this washed jamuns in 1 glass of chilled water for 1 to 2 hours. After 1 or 2 hours, as you can see, the jamuns have become soft. Now we will de-seed it. We'll remove all the pulp and discard the seeds. After removing the seeds, we will blend this mixture. With the same chilled water by adding 2 tablespoons sugar. Sugar is optional. You can have this drink without sugar also. It is 1/4 teaspoon black salt and 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and blend it. We'll serve the jamun juice in short glasses with ice cubes. Our delicious, healthy and colorful jamun shots are ready. I love this color very much.